guys, I want to welcome you to the video about how to make a Fringe shapeshifter conversion device. All the supplies needed are easily off of eBay. So here, this is the cable for the shapeshifting device. Theirs doesn't have, this is a flat Ethernet cable, this was $3. Down the middle of it will be black. We're going to go ahead and keep this one silver though. Or silver. And then the box they use is not a hard box to find. This is the exact box they use, and it is a iPod Nano box. Then what we have is a mini toggle switch. If you watch close on a few of the episodes, you'll actually see that there is a light inside of it, and it is blue. So what we have here is this is a small box. So in this box we have both the light, that thing, and then a bracket for the toggle switch in there. And these guys will cover it up. And one more thing I have that I don't have right now is the dust cover. So the dust cover will go right over there. The one problem I had last time was I didn't know that you had to paint from the inside out, so I did that right this time. I will say this, if you don't spend a good enough time taping it off and you get a little paint on the outside, it is not fun trying to get it off, and it does ruin the way it looks. So we gotta try to do some nice even coats here. See how that looks. So it doesn't look too bad. We'll let that sit out for a couple hours and come back and see how it looks and maybe do another coat.